Hi, you old Kansas Home guys. We're out here in Newton today. I've been working on this house here, doing a pretty extensive remodel. You can see behind me we've got the front sidewalk tore up, and we're going to be repouring the sidewalk. And we got the formation laid down there. We've also went ahead and painted the exterior of the house. Still got some trim work to do, some finishing touches, but we're getting that outside painted up. We're gonna go inside and take a look and see how the progress is looking inside. It's looking pretty nice. Excited to show it to you. The living room is looking a lot different. We've got the trim painted. We've gone with the darker gray trim, which is going to match our kitchen cabinets, and light colored walls on the interior. Really opens up this large living room we have here. This is hallway leading to all the bedrooms. Got our bedrooms painted. Trim work done here. Here are our bathrooms. Got a lot of framing done in the basement. We'll be finishing this all the way off, getting sheetrock on the walls. Adding another room area over here, possibly bedroom. Making a little bit of layout change to the basement here. See some more studs going up here. And then we're also isolating off another living space separate from our mechanical stuff, our furnace back there. Things are looking really good here. Excited to see the progress. This is a pretty major project. Doing a lot of different stuff here. We've even done a lot here, just running all new electrical into the house from the power lines outside. New breaker panel going in.